Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Tea Box Express. This is a monthly tea party in a box. So these boxes are $25.50 each. I do have a coupon code for 20% off your first box. It's capital H, capital E, capital A, capital R, capital T, capital S. That's hearts, all caps. 20% off your first box, which is great. These are adorable. I love this box. It has tea, but it has so many other like really pretty, nice, cutesy, useful items. So I don't know the theme. They always come with this card. It's just a simple card that tells you about Tea Box Express itself, not really about the box so much. So here's what's in this month's box. All right, so first we have Mountain Bird Manners. This is a custom burlap banner. No, there's vintage silverware. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my, I love this kind of stuff, guys. Oh my gosh, so it's like, I'm thinking creating custom burlap banners and stamped vintage silverware. Oh my gosh. Oh, I want to see it so bad. I almost want to like keep it closed to take my pictures, but then I know you guys want to see it, so I'm not going to be that kind of a person and do that to you. I wouldn't do that to you. Never. All right. Let's see here. Ah! Come out. Okay, you have to come out, buddy. Oh, I thought it was a banner when I first saw banners. Okay. So it's a teaspoon. Tea time? Me time. Oh my gosh, is this not the cutest thing ever? Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, it's a new favorite of mine. Oh my gosh. Oh, and then there's a dipped fortune cookie, which I'm not sharing this with anybody. So it's like dipped with white chocolate. It has some jimmies on it. Ooh, LO Raw. I love these. I haven't had this particular thing before, but these are all like raw plant-based, like little energy snacks balls or whatever. This is a coconut chocolate chip cookie dough ball. So these are superfood dessert bites. I like the sound of that one. So these have cashews, coconut, they're gluten-free oats, coconut oil, cacao nibs, raw honey, and that's it. So it's a 6-ingredient snack. There's like 5 or 6 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's only 210 calories. That's nice. We're on a mission to make healthy, real foods available to all people. Take a bite. All right. Then we have, did they have to send this to me? This is Malvi Marshmallow Confections Raspberry Hibiscus. Oh, you guys know I love me some florals. I can't smell it, but I wish I could. Look at that. Oh, it's like a marshmallow sandwich. Look at it. How delicious does that look? All right, and then for the piece de resistance, we have Polar Tea Company Walnut Cake Green Tea. So that is our tea for the month. And if you guys aren't familiar, they do send only loose leaf tea. So you're going to have to figure out your own way to bag it, you know, like, or steep it or whatever. So this is, has crunchy walnuts, sweet pineapple, and creamy coconut. This green tea tastes like dessert. So it contains some Chinese sencha green tea, which is beautiful, by the way. I love the way tea looks. Don't you guys love the way tea looks? Brittle pieces of sugar and hazelnuts, candied pineapple pieces, coconut, walnut pieces, natural flavoring, almond flakes, tree nuts. Oh, it contains tree nuts, it's just telling me. So this is made, it's packaged in Canada, and it's made in Germany, which is really interesting. I've never heard of this company. I'm super excited to try this because how often, usually the sweeter teas are herbal. It's not as common to find it in a green tea, and I think that might be really interesting to try. So that is everything that I received in my Tea Box Express for, I think this is the January box. I love this box. I just think it's a nice culmination of products, all in that like, all in that enjoyment, like a me time, a tea party, just enjoying life. It's very symbolic of taking a step back, and relaxing. And like, that's what tea represents in my mind. Like just having a moment. I'm going to have this moment. And all these products are things that like this is very like, it's a way to like make it more special. You know what I mean? And I love this. I just think it's so cool. I love everything in this box. If you're interested in the full blog review, check that out below. If you're interested in checking out Tea Box Express, check them out below as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.